Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Rose here. So today I will be reviewing Born Pretty gel polish for you. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So first is Born Pretty matte eggshell top coat, and it comes in a 7 ml bottle. And here is what it looks like. And next is Born Pretty Reflective Glitter Gel Top Coat. And it also comes in a 7 ml bottle. And this is what it looks like. Next is Born Pretty Gel Color shade BP78, and it is a dark green color. And it comes in a 10 ml bottle. And this is what it looks like. And the next one is Born Pretty WaterColor Nail Gel, and it is a clear color. And the last one is Born Pretty Gel Polish Thermal Nail Gel shade TN08, and it looks like a brown color. So first I'm gonna try the Born Pretty shade BP78. It is a dark green color, so apply a thin layer of first coat. And then cure. And then apply a thin layer of second coat, and then cure again. It is very important to cure every layer when applying gel polish so that the gel manicure is more durable and long-lasting. And this is what it looks like. It is very pretty green. It is perfect color for Christmas. It is shiny and glossy already. And then apply top coat or super top coat for a long-lasting gel manicure, and then cure. Next is I'm gonna try the matte eggshell top coat, but first I'm gonna apply gel color shade BP78. Apply a thin layer of first coat, and then cure. Apply second layer of gel color and then cure. Then next is apply matte eggshell top coat. Make sure to shake the bottle before using it. Born Pretty 7 ml matte eggshell top coat is made of transparent colloid plus special black material harmony. It can be matched with any color gel in any season. As soon as you cure it, you can see the matte effect of the top coat and the broken eggshells. And then cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. And this is what it looks like. You can see the matte effect and the eggshells effect. And you can also use any base color that you like. Next is Born Pretty Reflective Glitter Top Coat, but again I will use the gel color shade BP78 as my base color. So apply a thin layer of first coat and then cure. Apply a second layer of gel color and then cure again. And then apply the reflective glitter gel top coat and cure. So it is very sparkly, glittery, and shiny with natural light. And this is what it looks like with the lights on. So in flash, they are reflective and out of flash depending on the lights. The lights reflect and show like a tiny stars and it looks so cool. It is balanced with precise touch of holographic for some extra personality in the sun and light. It has two charming effects: natural light, normal effect, and the flashing disco effects with the lights on. And this is the difference of regular top coat and the reflective glitter top coat. Next is Born Pretty Watercolor Nail Gel, but I will be using the gel color shade Pearl White as my base. So apply a thin layer of first coat. And then cure under UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. Apply a second layer of gel color and cure. So I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out. And then apply watercolor nail gel but do not cure yet. Use paintbrush or a paint pen and then apply the gel color. I use the shade BP78 and then draw lines however you want it. You can draw a thinner line or a thicker line. You can also make a marble nail art so easy. Repeat this step to deepen the gradation of color. And then once you're satisfied with the result, apply top coat and then cure. So this is what it looks like. And last is the Born Pretty Thermal Gel Color Changing Gel Polish shade DN08. So apply first coat and then cure. Apply second coat and then cure again. So this is what it looks like. It is a light brown color and now I'm going to test it. So here I have the warm water and the cold water. So this one I'm dipping it into the warm water. The color didn't change. It's still the same. Now I'm gonna dip it to cold water and let's see what happens. So as you see the color change, it becomes darker. It becomes a dark brown color. And now I'm gonna dip it again halfway to the warm water. And this is what it looks like. It's very nice. This series comes with 18 different color shades. So this is the watercolor gel. And this one is the BP78. And this one is the thermal nail gel. And this one is the matte eggshell top coat. And the last one is the reflective glitter top coat. So overall, I am so impressed with the effects, and the gel is so easy to apply and it is soak off. It is a healthy gel polish and it is an eco-friendly. It has low odor and it is also an ideal gift for everyone that loves to get their nails done. And that's it, everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up,
subscribe,
and thank you for watching.